We're in the section Operations. An operational file is created in view of an acquired real job and collects the information to perform all the necessary services and performances. Basically here, you'll find the quotations accepted by customers and the working files opened. Just like in the sales section, you'll find the search filters at the top in order to filter the results list according to your needs. In this section, you can create a new operational file. There are two ways to do this. If you have a quotation file accepted by the customer, you'll be able to automatically generate the operational file using the information already entered. If you don't have the quotation file, you'll have to enter all the information into the new operational file. Let's convert the sales file we've created in the previous video. First of all, select the layout Operating International. Then click on the question mark and choose the file Sales. Click on New and OK. As you can see, some of the file fields have already been filled in with the quote data. On the General Data form, you'll find the general information. The coordinator will be the person in your company that will take care of the work directly. In the Origin and Destination details, you'll find addresses and information related to the order and the shipping destination. You can edit or add rows according to your needs. The form's checklist, booking agent, cargo, MC details, shipment details, and containers are the same of the sales file. If you have not done already, you should see the appropriate tutorial. The form Services indicates the services that the agent will perform. For example, there might be a pack or load services to origin performed by a particular agent. The details entered into this form will update the calendar. The transport agent is the carrier. It can be you or your agent on the territory. Transit details is a transit tab for each inserted carrier. You must then place the carriers or an individual carrier in the previous section. Save the practice, and then you can enter the details of the transit in here. For example, the location for loading the merchandise, the harbors of departure, any transit harbor, and the harbor of destination. Then you must enter the date of transport, the various numbers MOBL, MAWB, or HOBL, HAWB. In Customs Agent, you can specify the information of a possible customs agent. In Insurance Agent, you can enter the details of the insurer. By clicking on the side arrow, you can enter the details of the insurance policy stipulated. Storage refers to any stop in a warehouse with entry date, release date, and other important data. In Packing Materials, you can unload materials used to carry out the work. Each unloading affects the inventory of the items listed, so as to keep track always of the quantities available. Invoice Info specifies the contact to which the invoice will be addressed for the services performed. In the form Estimated Costs, you'll find the estimated costs incurred for the provision of performances and services during the quotation draft. If not entered yet, you can enter them, and for each one, you can specify any provider. Final Costs allows you to enter the final costs incurred in the provision of performances and services. For all costs entered, you can specify any provider. The total of the final costs compared to invoicing allows you to control the real margin and the percentage margin. Unlike the estimated costs, in this form, you should enter the real costs incurred, which you can take, for example, from your supplier invoices. When the job is done, you may issue the invoice from the invoicing form. Enjoy your work!